You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Aircraft Cabin Interior Systems in BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET, by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry-related videos. So don't forget the subscription button.
The Aircraft Cabin Interior Systems course focuses on the design, construction, operation, and maintenance of the interior environment of an aircraft. The cabin interior is not only about passenger comfort but also includes safety, functionality, and system integration. This subject enables students to understand how various cabin systems, such as lighting, air conditioning, oxygen, seats, galleys, lavatories, entertainment, and communication, work together to provide a safe and comfortable environment for passengers and crew. Objectives of subject Aircraft Cabin Interior Systems. To study the layout and design principles of aircraft cabins. To understand the working and maintenance of different cabin systems. To learn about safety, emergency, and environmental control systems. To become familiar with modern in-flight entertainment and passenger service systems. To understand EASA/FAA maintenance standards for cabin systems. Main topics covered. 1. Introduction to aircraft cabin layout. Overview of commercial and business aircraft cabin configurations. Cabin zones, cockpit, passenger area, galleys, lavatories, cargo holds. Materials used in cabin interiors, lightweight, fire-resistant, and durable materials. Importance of ergonomics and space optimization in cabin design. 2. Cabin pressurization and air conditioning systems. Principles of air pressurization and maintaining cabin altitude. Environmental Control System, ECS. Air conditioning packs. Outflow and safety valves. Temperature control systems. Fresh air supply and ventilation management. Maintenance and troubleshooting of ECS systems. 3. Oxygen and fire protection systems. Crew and passenger oxygen systems. Continuous flow and demand type oxygen systems. Chemical oxygen generators in passenger masks. Fire protection systems. Smoke detectors in lavatories and galleys. Fire extinguishing systems for cabins and cargo areas. Inspection and servicing procedures for emergency equipment. 4. Cabin lighting systems. Types of lighting. General lighting, ceiling and wall panels. Emergency lighting, floor path lighting, exit signs. Mood lighting for passenger comfort. Control systems for brightness, color, and automatic dimming. Maintenance of LED and fluorescent lighting systems. 5. Communication and in-flight entertainment systems. Passenger address, PA, and interphone systems. Cabin management systems, CMS, for controlling lights, temperature, and entertainment. In-flight entertainment, IFE. Audio, video systems, seat displays, and connectivity. Satellite-based Wi-Fi and communication. Fault diagnosis and troubleshooting of IFE and CMS systems. 6. Galleys and lavatory systems. Galley systems, ovens, coffee makers, chillers, and water supply. Lavatory systems, waste management, flushing mechanisms, and servicing procedures. Hygiene and safety regulations for galley and lavatory maintenance. 7. Passenger and crew seats. Seat types, economy, business, first class, and crew seats. Seat mechanisms, manual and electrical recline systems. Integration of seat power supply and entertainment connections. Safety features, seat belt assemblies, seat track locking mechanisms, and crashworthiness. 8. Emergency and safety equipment. Evacuation slides, life rafts, and life vests. Fire extinguishers and emergency beacons. Location and inspection procedures for all emergency items. Cabin crew safety briefings and maintenance roles. 9. Cabin noise and vibration control. Sources of noise and vibration inside the aircraft. Use of acoustic insulation and damping materials. Maintenance checks for loose panels and vibration control devices. 10. Maintenance, inspection, and regulations. Routine cabin checks as per EASA Part 145 and FAA maintenance schedules. Cabin defect reporting and rectification. Documentation, cabin logbook, service bulletins, and airworthiness directives. Human factors and cleanliness standards. Importance for AMET students. Builds a strong foundation in passenger comfort, safety, and system reliability. Provides hands-on knowledge for cabin maintenance and troubleshooting. Prepares students for cabin system certification exams under EASA/CAA. Enhances employability in airlines, MROs, and cabin modification companies. Career relevance. After studying aircraft cabin interior systems, students can pursue careers as aircraft maintenance engineers, cabin system specialist, cabin modification and retrofit engineers, cabin maintenance technicians, aircraft interior design engineers, quality and safety inspectors in airlines or MROs. Conclusion. Aircraft cabin interior systems is a vital subject in the AMET curriculum, focusing on the integration of comfort, safety, and technology inside the aircraft cabin. It equips students with the knowledge and skills to maintain and manage passenger service systems, ensuring safety and satisfaction on every flight.